Hello everyone, welcome back into today's video. Make this mouth-watering chicken stew with me while I talked about the conclusion of our meal prep series. As you all know, we've started our meal prep series and part 1, part 2 and 3, and then I hope you all enjoy the series. So today's video is all about the conclusion. So if you have not watched the part 1 to 3, please feel free to check the description. Everything is there. Just click it and you are good to go. So in today's video, you're going to be making chicken stew. So feel free to watch how I put this together. Now, we have talked about the prepping, the planning, the time saving, the strategies. But today, I would like to tell you, all my friend, that meal prep isn't just about food, it's about setting yourself up for a smoother week. By planning your meals ahead, you save time, you cut stress, and avoid last minute unhealthy choices. It also helps you to stay on budget. You stick to your goals and frees up mental space during busy weekdays. A little effort on one day makes the rest of your week way more easier. So, my friend, prep today and thank yourself all week long. Now, my friend, I want you to kickstart your week with a simple habit that saves time, money, and stress. Meal prepping is a key to staying on track with your goals and making your week way more smoother. So, thank you so much for watching today's video with me. I hope you all enjoyed it and I hope you all enjoyed the meal prep series. Stay tuned for more amazing video. And a big thank you to all of you that have been watching my video and all my viewers. And I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.